Audi A7 BCM location. I took the bits out because it's easier for me to show you guys in the video. But basically you gotta get this cover out. There's one screw on the side in here, but before you do that, before you get any screws, you gotta remove this side in here. I removed more because I did some more other work on it, like this one, so I removed it. But this part has 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I think there are 8mm socket that you need to use, right? And this one goes like this. It clicks in, see, on this side, and it comes out first from the top. You unclip it, see, there are clips, you just pull it out, and then there's a hook in there, and this one goes like that inside there. So it basically holds there. Now this usually has the OBD port, but you take it out by pushing this one like that, and the two of them, and then it comes out, and that one goes in here. Obviously you're gonna have the light switch, which I took out. Now it's plugged in because the car is running, so I don't want any faults, because I was testing the BCM on it and some more other stuff. But this one literally just, you push it out like that, and then you unplug it and it comes out. Then to get to the BCM, you got this relay panel, right, which you push with the finger. This little tab you push like that, you see it, pull on the side like that, both sides, and then it goes down. After that you just have to put it more on the side in here, and it comes another part. There's another relay carrier in here, and this one, to be able to access it, there's a little tab here, and it comes out like that. It hooks up on the side, as you can see, it goes down, and that's your BCM. And to be able to take the BCM out, you pull this one and the BCM comes out, and literally just make space on the side, comes out. Unplug all of them, like this one for example, you have to press here, and then with this finger you press down, and then with this one you pull, and so on. This one with tabs, and that's it. You take the BCM out. And if it helps you, helps you the part number, so you can see the part number in case you need at any point.